Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to share your Threads profile. It's very easy. How can you do it? First step to take is to open your Threads app and then head to your profile. If you want to head to your profile, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Alright, so once you're on your profile just like this and you want to share your profile, all you have to do guys is to click on this share profile button right there on your profile, and then just scroll down and you find this copy option. Tap on it and then you've copied your link, so you can share the copied link on any platform you want. Right, so guys, that's how you can do it. Hope it was easy. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this.